Can we take a picture
Together?
of your dog? Wait.
Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Nag-awa ng apang.
No.
Na nice dirizo. Sorry.
Sige na, kapapipicture na sa dog.
Ay, nagpalibang pa man siya. Can I take a picture of your dog? You're staying. Is she female or? You don't bite?
It's a male. Sige na, papicture na ako sa dog.
Kanya na ako sa.
Take a picture here.
Sure ka, di na siya mag-bite.
I don't know.
Ano, I think it's dangerous.
There you go.
I have dogs.
Yeah, you can dart away. So just
What's his name?
make sure you hold it right.
What's
Jack.
his name?
Jack.
Jack?
Yeah.
Hey Jack, I'm Rose. I didn't even go.
Siya ka really.
Come here, Jack. Jack, come here. Can you sit?
Aja.
Down.
Aja. Aja. I don't want.
Come on, Jack.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Uy, basig mag-bite na siya, dahil. Don't be so kuha na lang. Uy, that shit, eh. Basig. Walang ka na rin.
I know.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
You wanna go to stream?
Uy, kasi Jack.
No, don't.
I don't know.
No, it's the water.
I don't know.
Hi, Jack.
Come on, Jack.
Ayun ka.
You're safe here.
Ayun na yun. Ako may nahadlok ko eh.
Thanks.
Thank you, sister.
I need to get. Nice dinner. Ikaw, magpapicture sa dog?
Pakan dyan ko. 3, 2, 1.
Ito all kamay niya. Naman na. Itong lamig kayo, itong last year ba nga birthday na ko lamig kayo mga shots na to. Ano ito, next? Next!
Paday.